How to add free shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to add free shipping on your Shopify store. So let's get started. Simply open up your Shopify store and you'll open up your admin right here. And I will show you how to set your shipping fee to 0 and make your shipping free. So simply go to settings right here and it will open up your Shopify settings. You have to scroll down to shipping and delivery right here. So I'm going to click on shipping and delivery and it will open up my delivery and shipping settings for me. Here you can see we have shipping, general shipping rates. Click on manage and it will open up your profile right here. And you can see we have different rates that we can go for. So we have standard rate and you can see this one is free, but this one is not. So just to make a rate free, you can just edit the rate here and we can set up the rate to 0. Okay, so you can see if it's 0, then it's completely free. I'm gonna click on done and there you go. You can see I have shipping rates are going to be completely free. I can add another new rate if I want and I can just also make it free if I want with 0, or I can actually set a price as well, but I'm not gonna do that and I'll keep it free. Click on done and there you go. There is 0 shipping fee right now on my Shopify store and this is how it will look like. You can just add a domestic rate and a global rate as well, and you can make your shipment free on Shopify. Click on save and your changes will be saved and you will see right here now it's completely free. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.